The iPhone 12 family is looking packed with specs and features, and most importantly, they are packed with OLED goodness, and that is why Samsung is really happy. What's up guys, so we all see Samsung and Apple like this, but in reality, this is how Samsung sees Apple. The iPhone 12 series this year will have 4 models instead of 3. This is the largest iPhone flagship lineup ever, all models rocking OLED displays from different manufacturers like LG, BOE, and Samsung. Now despite having different manufacturers, it's been reported by Digitime that Samsung is providing Apple with 80% of OLED displays for this year's iPhone 12 lineup. This is actually pretty incredible. Apple knows very well that Samsung is the best when it comes to OLED displays in comparison to BOE or even LG. 80% of iPhone 12 displays from Samsung means hella cash. Just to give you guys an example, Samsung reportedly made more than $20 billion on the iPhone 10 display. They made like $110 for every sale, and if you actually add all that up, it's crazy money, and that is just for one flagship iPhone. This time Apple has more than one iPhone. If you look at the iPhone 12 lineup, Samsung is providing the OLED displays for the Pro models, and most importantly for the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 model that could set records when it comes to sales. It could start at a pretty good price of just $649. You see, Samsung is not just a smartphone maker, they make their own cameras, RAM, storage, displays, so they're gonna make some real money this year, and I'm pretty sure Samsung is happy about this. Now something that people might not be happy about is Apple is about to make another bold move by eliminating the earphones that come right out of the box. Yes, the iPhone 12 series could possibly dish the in-box earphones and promote their AirPods, or maybe have a discount on AirPods so that people buy them. They will still be selling the earphones separately if you need them. When Apple first removed the headphone jack for the 2 generations, we had the dongle out of the box, and now almost 2 generations later, they're taking this decision to ditch the in-box wired earphones. Now personally, I've moved towards the wireless solution ever since 2016, but still a lot of people use these wired earphones and headphones, so let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding this. Now because of the current situation, the iPhone 12 series could get delayed by 1 month. Similar to 2017, the iPhone 12 family could get launched in the month of November instead of the usual September. This is the first time we're gonna see a 5G powered iPhone, and Apple want this launch to be big. Some sites have even reported that it could get further delayed than November. 2020 is a very strange year, let's hope for the best. Also in the news, Samsung is back at it again with a brand new patent of a Galaxy Fold smartphone. The Galaxy Fold in the patent is showing off a very interesting design that I see fits perfectly for the cheaper Galaxy Fold Lite model. It's got a similar design to the Fold 1, but instead of a big cover display, it's got a secondary screen. You can see we still have that front camera bezel up front, so it's definitely not rocking the latest hole punch design that we're gonna see on the Fold 2. So this is how the Galaxy Fold E or the Fold Lite could look in the distant future. It's almost certain that by next year, we're gonna see affordable foldable phones coming from Samsung, Huawei, TCL, and other brands. This is truly the next big thing. Now as for the current Galaxy Fold 2 and the Note 20, despite everything that is going on, Samsung will still be announcing their phones in the month of August. They're not gonna stop. Both Galaxy Fold 2 and Note 20 are rumored to be announced at the same event online. So that's all the latest news we have. The iPhone 12 family, while it's looking great, the success of these models will help Samsung a lot in making a lot of money. That's it for this news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you're new here, I'll really appreciate if you guys can subscribe to my channel with bell notifications on. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.